mucho y ya sobre. Feel it, ya go for it. I never be small boy, look me well. I see they give you all the reasons, see I know if you just tell you, yeah. Ọmọ mi tó bá ṣe dáadáa, ó di dandan kó gba náírà. Ọmọ mi tó bá ṣe dáadáa, ó di dandan kó gba dọ́là. Ọmọ mi tó bá ṣe dáadáa, ó di dandan kó gba pépà. Ọmọ mi tó bá ṣe dáadáa.
Honestly, I've never been. We've always been 3 hours early to the airport. This is the first time that we're late. We are late. And it's what? It's almost 11, and our flight is at 1:45. We're leaving 2 hours before.
I want to eat.
Exactly. I'm hungry because there's no food in our stupid plane. For 5-6 hours, we're gonna be on the plane for. Hair is heated, nails is heated, lash shit, guys. You can't feel lash shit.
Fast friends, we used to hang out a lot. Go to parties and share some beautiful moments. We see through the same lens. We are single, I was not. Tiaya Bonkoma, I like to teach you cause you know it doesn't make sense.
Okay, so we just got into the airport. Guys, what's winning? Look at our photo. Looking cute. Oh. Guess who's looking like a baddie? Baddie. Two people's bag is supposed to. We're going to measure it together because it's under my name. Really? Okay, so guys, we're at the airport. Just dropped our bag. Just giving you a snap update, innit? 228 pounds. Guys, our bag was overweight, so we had to pay 228 pounds extra. We're broke now. We're gonna. What did you say? I said we paid 228 pounds. My hair looking freezed up. Having the burger. Oh. Please, let's try to finish this burger. Let's go. You gonna stay? Guys, we are late for our flight. I'm breathing like a dog. 5 hours run. I cannot run. But we're gonna make it. It's positive thinking. Because after all this money, I'm not missing our flight. She's breathing. Guys, she was running. Guys, we made it. We almost missed it. We're not missing it. If we miss it, we'll go back home. We'll go back home. God forbid. God forbid. Then swap then. Finally made it. Oh, I don't want to show anybody's face. We're in a plane. I've got a window seat. Because she's not meant to. Why not? She was not meant to get one. You are not meant to. This is about to be the longest 5 hours of my life. Longest 5 hours of my life. Guys, just get a chocolate. She stole it and they gave her. She stole it. £2.99. In this economy for chocolate, airport. They used to say, oh yeah, you can get stuff in airport. There's no tax in it. How do we get paid? Now I give it a 6 out of 10. I don't taste coffee. It doesn't taste like coffee. My tongue. It's 3 hours in. I have a flight to fly again. I should not see to fly. See, no, you doesn't want to go to Amsterdam. I mean, I want to go to Amsterdam. That's like 1 hour. That's not bad. That's what I'm saying. Like 5 hours for the video is crazy. Finally, we've arrived. How are you feeling?
Get me out of here.
Baby, welcome to Egypt, guys. We're in Egypt right now. I feel so grateful after a long ass flight with the multiple babies, the babies left and right. But we made it, yo. We're heading to a hotel right now, so can't wait to update you. See ya. They even put my name on the television. They put my name on the.
Said she want roll, remember. She don't come for the same, don't come for the same. She gaslight, she knows what's better. I need her for my agenda. She be cartel like Zella. Me and AJ locked in as brothers. Any instrumental is mental. Yeah, boo. How far where you want go, baby? How far where you want go? How far where you want go, baby? Yeah, boo. How far where you want go, baby?
Hi guys, good morning. We are heading downstairs for breakfast.
Brekkie. Can you imagine if I was in Nigeria? I would not wake up at this time. I said Nigeria, sorry. If I was in the UK, I really slept for like 5 hours. And we're going downstairs now for breakfast. Hopefully, something I can eat. Because I need good food. Good food. Okay.
Nice, thank you.
You too.
That's what I'm saying. If my bottom is down,
No. This thing doesn't feel like it moves at all. It just goes silently. Oh shit. This is what I paid for. This is how life should be every single day.
Feel it, Jaco for you. Man, I be small boy, look me well, well. I see they give you all the reasons, see, I know if you can tell you, yeah. I'm on me, go buy shit, dada. Put it down, go buy naira. I'm on me, go buy shit, dada. Put it down, go buy dollar. I'm on me, go buy shit, dada. Put it down, go buy paper. I'm on me, go buy shit, dada. Put it down,
We're heading downstairs for lunch. Lunch.
I look so cute.
Come back. Hey. This thing I can't do it every time. No. But we're going for lunch, and afterwards we're gonna go for a massage.
Because we deserve it.
Obviously.
That's right.
This is my first time actually.
That's right.
I cannot wait. Me, I cannot wait. No, I don't like the jelly-like stuff on top. The bottom is nice, but not that. I've got this. I don't know what this is for. Looks like avocado on top.
Yeah.
Cucumber. That's not cucumber.
No?
It looks like a nut that has green stuff on it. So we're going for our first activity. We're going for a spa, and our private taxi came to pick us up because that's how big girls do it. Tomorrow we're gonna sort ourselves out. Now look at the way the sun hits different. It's nice there. I'm just at the spa right now, and there's one bitch right in front of me, and she keeps staring at us. I don't understand. Like, is there something on our face? Why are you staring at us? If she stare again, I will show you guys. She was like this. Do I know you before? Like, is there something on my face? Have you not seen two black girls before? Clothing. It is so. And you know when you stare at people, sometimes you try to show like you're not staring, and her face like.
I know.
Oh, bro, excuse you. Oh, don't man.
Are we?
En route. We're eating for parasailing. I'm actually not excited for this. I'm kind of scared because we're going to be up in the sea while a boat is driving at full speed. This is crazy. Like, I want the sun to shine on my face. Look at my face. I've done that. I pressed that button. On it again. That's what I've done. You're not track. So scared. I'm so scared. Look at. I don't know if you can. How do I zoom? Look at one over there. Look. Hey. Look at the beautiful girl. The light is in my bag. Alright. Look at we're going for a dinner. Thank you.
Make a wish.
Okay, go. I tell you I'm dumb. I'm actually dumb. You can use this to move the camera. I was struggling to take pictures yesterday. I didn't know that you could do. Yo! You know, yesterday when we were struggling to find out. What are you doing? We're just heading downstairs to have lunch. It's currently 1 and my stomach is empty. So we're gonna go find something to eat. Then we're gonna head to the shopping mall. Then we're gonna go to the beach. I am planning to be like my brother. We need to grow our YouTube channel. He's been putting in the hard work. Like 8.2k on a video on YouTube. That's so good. Love it. I love it. I love it. We're gonna be heading to the mall soon. Ethan, it's not my birthday, you idiots. Oh, Jeremiah. We shall eat.
You guys know alright.
Not bad. They like sugar in this place.
Why sugar?
You know they
No salt. They don't know salt.
okay.
You finished it.
Yeah.
That was quick.
Kaja, let's go. Paliwa, if they hear me now, they'll be like, why are you speaking Korean? Why are you speaking Korean? You don't look Korean. It's not even busy. It's not busy. It's not busy. Guys, look at this. I don't understand when we became vloggers. We're vlogging right now. We're vloggers. Vloggers in the house. Vloggers in the house. Nope, there's not in here. I think this is food. Food and games. Let's go back down.
隣にいるだけで心臓がバクバク笑った顔何回好きになるのふざけてる風で視線そらしてる好きがバレそうでやばいやばいってば好き好き好きこぼれて止まらないずっとずっとずっと大好きすぎて関係壊れるの怖いけどねこの気持ち求められない既読ついたかなとか無意識
We are gonna do it on Wednesday.
What about the scuba diving?
No scuba,
Which one is that one?
the one where you go inside the water with the suit and everything, and you see the.
I can't swim.
You don't need to swim. That you
Yeah,
gonna.
exactly.
You don't
You
need
don't
to
have to
swim. That's what the scuba. There's fins in your leg and there's oxygen in your mouth.
BCD, how to use a tank, how to breathe.
Everything.
It would be like
Coral
hand by
reef.
hand with a private coach.
When
When? What when?
the scuba diving,
At any time you want.
cause we don't have. What? How much is it?
It will be like 50 euros. Hey, wallah, I sell it for 70, 80 for one person. For you, because you are beautiful lady. Same
Thank you.
colors. I make this.
How much?
It said 50 euros.
How much is that one in pounds?
And the look, this price
50
including
pounds.
the lunch, the trinkets, the oxygen tank, the coach, everything.
Ah, we're already going for boat cruise though. There's scuba dive. We have scuba diving with it.
No, what you will go for? It's an island, you said.
Orange Bay Island. Yeah.
It's snorkeling only.
You can pay for snorkeling as well. Oh, 50 pounds is too
Snorkeling
much.
is something. And
Not do.
No.
scuba is something else.
Ah, that's scary. No.
See a sister?
My sister, yeah. It's my birthday. Do it for
Really?
free. Yeah, it's my birthday today.
I can give you like today like 40 pounds for 40 pounds.
Give me for free.
Private, no.
For free,
Look,
for
look, look. Private boat I will give you to go to the coral reef and you will come back for 1 hour.
For 1 hour.
Yeah. Would you like to do it today? It's your birthday. Wallah, this price I never do it.
Do it for free. Do it for free.
It's a special
This is my
price.
twin.
Really?
Yeah, it's my twin. For free.
But you don't look like a twin.
It's my twin. Yeah, she
You are the
is.
first person to say that.
Everyone says we're twins. We're twins. Yeah.
Camera.
Yes. Are you like TikToker or what?
Yeah. Upcoming.
Show me. You see that one?
I'm broke. Oh.
I know that you are broke.
I'm really, really broke. I spent a lot of money. You people take my money.
Yeah. Somebody yesterday, they took our money, taxi. We entered taxi and he collected 1,200 from us.
Yes.
He told us that that's his normal price.
1,300?
200
We're going to report
Egyptian
him.
pounds
1,200 for what?
for taxi to go to Marina.
Going and coming.
To go to Marina yesterday.
I'm not happy about that. I'm not.
Can you use Uber?
We book him on InDrive.
InDrive.
He said that the price is his own price is cheaper. I
No,
thought
tell
that
him we don't care.
huh?
Tell him we don't care. It's
School.
temporary.
One in
Yeah.
school, university.
And what is your university? What are you studying?
Nursing.
Nursing. It would be more better if you went like to the
Secondly. So what?
to the hospital working there.
I know.
Instead
Of course.
you will
That's,
take like more money now.
yes, I'll take all their money.
Exactly. Now I have to go.
No worries,
Because I
thank you.
don't
It was
like
nice.
psychology.
It was nice
Have a
meeting
sweet
you.
day.
Bye.
Let's kill yourself.
Oh, it was recording.
Psychologist.
He said that's why I'm always deviating too much. Like I'll say yes, then say no. Bro, you're 21, you're not old.
I know I'm not old.
Okay, so it's almost midnight here. I'm just gonna go to sleep right now. I'm tired. I am so tired. Hey, Yeah, I was just showing the makeup because I didn't show my outfit.
Hi. Guys, what's my makeup too? I changed
So
it.
come this way.
Guys, makeup. I'm tired.
Very, very tired. We did the denim outfit. No. Did denim. So I was wearing a different top, but this was the look that we were going for. Wear denim. Faye wore a denim jacket with capri pants and our heels. We were yeah, we booked the restaurant in the hotel because they said, oh, we get one free meal, and we went to the restaurant and we went for aesthetic. Like, we dressed up, we wore heels, we wore everything, did makeup, and we went to the restaurant and it looked like the normal buffet restaurant. I was just like, what the hell is this? I mean, the food is good, better than all the food that we've been having, but why would you do noodles with too much soy sauce? Like, the entire thing was black. He gave us a...
You're not talking about the noodles. With that noodle.
I was talking about the stir fry.
Oh, no, the noodles are worse.
The noodle soup was the worst because it was black. It was burnt, and they gave us like a spoon, like when you put noodles on spoon, like everything. That was just it. And it was burnt. I think the salad was good, but I was looking for my crab.
I actually enjoyed the dessert.
No crab salad.
I had crab in mine.
Like, Faye had crab. There was no crab in mine. Like, they were stingy with the crabs. Like, I wouldn't even pay for that. Imagine paying for using your money to buy food in that restaurant.
I know.
I would just...
I'm so glad it was free.
I swear, I would just cry if they bring the food.
Me pay.
God forbid.
That's the only good thing.
Could it work? Okay, what else?
That thing, it was burnt.
Like, we were entering the restaurant. Like, this is the first time I've seen line in that buffet restaurant.
Babes.
Like, there was line at the buffet
at us.
restaurant, and we were going in because we were not going to the normal buffet, but the restaurant we were supposed to go to is inside that one.
Yeah.
And one woman was shouting, "You have to stay in line." I'm like, lady, chill. I'm not eating the same food as you.
Yeah.
Like, calm down. Like,
we're not on the same levels.
Eh?
I said level.
Yeah, like, calm down.
It's not true.
Is it not the food? I don't even eat. How many times? What did we eat today? Really at once. Then plus that dinner. We can't even be bothered to wake up for breakfast because it's the same thing every day. We are not expecting anything new. It's not that. It's not giving. It's not. 3 days already.
3 days.
Yep. Friday, Saturday. Wait, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. If we don't count Friday, because Friday we're literally here in the night. Yeah. Faye is 20. No, she's 21. Mistake. She's 21, and I will be 21 in 3 days or 2 days, should I say? That's actually so weird. If people ask me my age on Wednesday, I'll be like, Wednesday. Sorry.
Thursday.
If people ask me my age on Wednesday, I'll be 20. But if you ask me on Thursday, I'll be like, I'm 21. That's gonna take me a while to get used to.
I know, right?
2005 babies were 21 this year. Like, we're full-grown adults already.
That's so scary.
Very, very scary. Anyways, bye. I want to go and clean my face and sleep. She yo. Say yo. Look how beautiful the place is.
Fucking hell with the flies, man.
So we are currently about to start our safari journey. I'm so sleepy.
She was sleeping on the bus.
I'm so sleepy, man. Man, the amount of cats I see in this country is crazy.
So what?
The cats.
You're plenty.
Too much. Customers participating in the safari by desert road will go through the desert along uneven roads. It can be bumpy.
So we're walking.
No, we're not walking. They mean like the ATV stuff is going to be bumpy because of the road is uneven. All our trips is off-road. The quad bike, spider car, stack engine surely operated by the guide. We are not responsible for any loss or damage of personal items. Jeep is car now.
Oh.
You
do both. I think good idea.
You don't pass your exam right now.
Huh?
You don't pass your exam. You have to write your name here to give it you top of 10.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There is a. Did you just say that I did not pass my exam?
I don't know if
People is chilling.
I know it's mad. Go crazy.
Yeah, I'm scared of cats, man. They freak me out. Look how sleepy he is.
He's literally next to you as well.
Hey, fight that. Yo, we going. Fighter, come on. Follow me. The sun was just killing my head. When I was because we got long sleeve, long I found the money to do more. Guys, on top of the Camel. This is so weird. Oh. Nah, my face is definitely reacting to something. It's my brows. Maybe it's the water.
6 months, okay, and after that, let's name water flowers, okay? And the water flowers, what is the water flowers? So, and the water flowers is small, okay, and they give it here in the machine. That's baby, you make that in the hand, and after that you make a powder, okay? And they give it the powder in the water and the salt, and after that in the green. That's very natural fires, and after 2 minutes.
Hey, look at my rashes. Wait, please go. Please go. Into the swing. This is not the one. It's those ones that are nice. Where you push yourself and you can see the water. Yeah.
I hope you know that.
Guys, this is gonna push me. It's so fun. See where she's pushing like a baby. Push! Don't worry, I'll be fine. Don't fall. It's painful. How do you zoom this? Yeah, I need the sun. It's still cold. It's really cold.
No, please. No, it's okay. No problem. Victoria, no problem.
No. Yeah, this is Victoria. That's Georgina.
Good heart.
I told her I can't be a bobo. She said she wants to be my baby. She said she's serious and she don't play. I'm like, okay, if that's what you want, say. Yeah, tell me you involve me. Depends how I'm feeling at the time of the day. Said she won't roll with me. She don't call for the same, don't call for the same. She gaslight, she knows what's better. I need her for my agenda. Give me cocktail like Zeta. Me and AJ locked in as bread. Any instrumental is mental.
My hair is not looking its best right now, but Girl's gotta do what she's gotta do. She's gotta enjoy her life with no hair restriction. I'm not gonna be restricting myself. I'm gonna enjoy life. Okay, so the connection here is so bad, so I'm gonna continue to read this book. It's so crazy because I'm still in chapter 12, I think, or 13. Look at that. What is that? They are blue. Please stay in my hand, don't move. La 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 la. So yesterday, I think I'm recording. Oh, we're sleeping all day. I was sleeping and I'm so tired. Our flight today is at 10 p.m. so we still got time. We have to check out the room at 12. Now we're just going to home, which is then so well. Hopefully it's worth the hype because there was a mall beside our hotel and they had nothing, like literally nothing. I'm tired of this air. It's just been a week and I want to take it out, and some people have suings for a month, for 2-3 months. At least I had ours for like 2 months. I can't do it. I cannot do it. I'm so, after I take this off, I'm going to do all back. Just go back because hey, I'm not doing sewing again anytime soon. No. Maybe this bundle, or is it I'm do ponytail during the summer. So sleek ponytail. It's a cute hairstyle. First time I'm seeing KFC, McDonald's, and they have Cold Stone here. I'm gonna try, and they have Pizza Hut. I'm gonna try. So let's go and try Mackey's here and rate it. Hopefully it's nice. The fries are massive. They have chicken wings. Guys, I can't believe that I came to this country when I was 20 and now I'm 21 years old. That's actually insane, you know. I was 21 yesterday and I didn't do nothing. We were supposed to do the, what's it called? We were supposed to do the sunset pictures yesterday, but mind you, we're just so tired. When you book an holiday, don't book it for 8 days. Do not book it for 8 days because I'm tired of this place already. Like, I'm stressed out. I just want to be back in my house, be back in my bed. I do understand that, like, oh my god, we're not going to get the all-inclusive, but hey, I'm tired. I haven't saw a video of someone said they did 30 days all-inclusive and I'm like, I would just like to get back to life as normal. Just be back to life. So we came to Mackey's. I ordered chicken wedges. I got chicken wings. I think it's 5 pieces, and I got a large Fanta. And they charge you for tax every single time. Let me show y'all. So that's the potato wedges. That's the chicken, and that's that. God. Bro,
That is mad. Taste test though.
this is like 1 liter.
That's what they say in thingy in cinemas.
I felt that is okay. We're gonna try the potato wedges. It's hot. I like. Okay. Chicken wings.
I'm waiting for my food. Spicy?
Might be spicy for some people, but I can taste spice. Not that spicy, but it's okay. The chicken is nice too. It's cooked well. So we outside. We checking the mall. Hi. Oh no, thank you. I've not seen anything I like yet. What? Yes, it is Puma. That's Adidas. Yeah, that's Adidas. Which one? It is Puma though. Hey, no, it's Puma. Yeah, it's Puma. This is Adidas, that's Puma. The sign is Puma. Timberland. I've always wanted to get that shoe. They even have Converse. Hi. If someone asks me where I'm from one more time, I will want to blow their head. No. Later, 1 second. I said if anybody asks me where I'm from anymore, I'm gonna punch their face. Every time, like, where are you from? England. Where are you originally from? Your house. Your house. I'm originally from your house. They always play Afrobeat musical.
It's the kids, babe. Ay. Sibanike platinum way. Akushi canting keep number. Lentano sitle manje shy number. Ishay number kuse. Akushi be fresh tolagala. Achigu pegele totoza. Afuni ninja sibanike. Akipi diamond tolagala. Sibanike platinum way. Akushi canting keep number. Lentano sitle manje shy number. Ishay number kuse. Akipi be fresh tolagala. Achigu pegele totoza.
I love them for £1,000.
You like cherry?
Sorry?
Cherry.
Sherry.
Yeah. No small, this is one. This is fruity and fruit and white juice.
No, guys, I don't like it.
Different smell.
I don't like that one. So like coffee, yeah.
Yes, clean your nose.
Oh,
This one European nut. This is fruity, apple, chili, and root.
no, it's not too strong. It smells like air freshener. Thank you, though.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You too. It all smell like air fresheners. That's so disgusting. I'll be cringing at myself. Tomorrow's the last day of January. That's so flipping weird. Like the year just started when? 3 weeks ago, and now it's. And February's just gonna go like that because that one's like the shortest month in the year. What was I even saying? Oh yeah, wait. I have no social life. My social life is so boring. Like people that go out to party, don't even invite me for a party. I'm not coming. I don't do that drinking lifestyle. But if you want to come for a Nigerian party, invite me for a Nigerian party. We drink Martina, we have a malt, we have everything. I saw a cheat. I had one. It's me that sent to you, innit? Was it me or no? I think I sent you another one to you. The one I sent to you, go and watch. That's disgusting. That guy was giving me the Is she in Amsterdam? Are you sure? Amsterdam. That's nice. I bet it to be expensive because it's in Amsterdam. I want to go to the Netherlands. I want to go to the Netherlands. I miss Manchester. I miss Manchester. Like, I can't believe I'm saying this. Like, oh no, no way. Maybe because we came in the beginning of the year, and people are not here like that. But like, it's not about the beginning. It's not the beginning. I'm so sorry. I'm just tired all the time. I see someone is pregnant. Imagine when I'm pregnant. If I'm tired like this, if I'm pregnant, I better be active. I need my Nigerian food. I need spice. I need spice. Note to self, guys, when you come to Egypt, carry pepper. Well, that's if you're someone that likes pepper, like me. I like pepper, but imagine times 10. Pepper. Anytime I used to eat noodles in Nigeria, I used to use normal pepper, which is atarodo, we call it in Nigeria. I use atagungu. Then I had Cameroon pepper to it. Because Cameroon pepper with noodles. Gosh. When I used to be on fire. Hey, battery is 5%. Battery is 5%. I've not used you for that long. How are you 5%? We were born into this world that was segregated by passport. Is it fair? Is it fair? Is it fair? Why are we segregated by passport? Like, they born me now in Nigeria. I cannot use my passport to go to how many countries can someone go to? 20. Out of 197. That's so embarrassing, I can't lie. That's really embarrassing. Imagine 20 countries out of 197. Why some people can go to all 197? Like 20 max.
I feel like my Egypt thing. This and letter F. I should F. For 45.
I've been missing you. I've been missing. That's insane, you know. So they finally checked in. Went to 2 amounts of actually 3 security in order to actually check in. I'm really tired. Long day. And I'm ready to go.
Let's go home.
Ready to leave. Like,
I'm tired. I can't imagine staying here for another week.
God forbid. Okay, this one's a lek. Good. But they are so small and tiny. I know. I think I'm gonna go for original Coke. I wish I had up to 200 money. Ah, she's not cold.
Hello?
Hi.
Welcome to the work.
I think.
Euro?
1 second. No, 1 second.
Take time.
I just want to say thank you to everyone that stayed to the end of the video. It was not easy editing this video because I'm still learning. I've watched other YouTube vlogs to see how it's gonna be, but I really tried my best and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you think there's anything that I could do to make it improve, make it more fun, please do not hesitate to suggest. Anyways, thank you guys for watching one more time. Just enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Bye bye.